My research topic is the utilization of vacant houses. I analyzed the program for converting vacant houses into community bases by matching owners of vacant houses with citizen groups such as NPOs. This is an official program by Setagaya World in Tokyo, which has created 22 bases. For example, a place for infants and their parents, a place for children with developmental disabilities, and daycare. Many of those bases are vacant rooms, not houses. This shows that even a single room can become a base that contributes to the community's welfare. 3 years ago, social activities have stopped because of COVID-19. My research focused on citizen activism and the social activities of the elderly. At that time, we couldn't meet anyone face to face, so I stopped my research and thought about what I could do now. It was a very difficult time, but a good opportunity to stop and think. My motivation is to have dinner with my lab members. So lab members are working adult students like me. We work during the day and do research at night. They are experts in different fields from mine, so we have a very good time chatting. I get a lot of inspiration from them. My advice is to communicate with lots of people. Researcher needs time to think alone, but we also need to discuss any issues with many people. Maybe some ideas or hints will come to us. I feel tired when I spend a lot of time thinking alone. It is important to meet someone. So, my first international conference, the relaxed atmosphere of the conference. I was able to presentation without any nervous. It was very good that coffee breaks. Coffee is not served at Japanese conferences. My research is a case study within Japan, and I usually only discuss it with the Japanese. The questions I received made me realize that my research was interested outside of Japan. I was encouraged by the comment, "This is very interesting research." So I'm very glad to participate in the conference.